Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start in the name of God, most gracious, most merciful. Good evening, gentlemen, sisters, brothers, and elders. Today we are going to recount of heart-touching miraculous subject that was Prophet Idris wished to prolong his life. Prophet Idris is one of the earliest prophets in the history of mankind. Of the 25 prophets mentioned in the Quran, Prophet Idris happens to be the second after Prophet Adam. According to some Islamic historian of commentators, he is the third, as they count Sith as the second prophet, who was the third son of Prophet Adam. He is believed to be from the fifth generations of Prophet Adam. In the Bible, Prophet Idris is mentioned as Enoch, and the majority of Islamic scholars consider Enoch as a Prophet Idris. Prophet Idris is mentioned twice in the Quran. Only 25 prophets out of more than 124,000 are mentioned in the Quran by name. That reflects the importance of the status of the Prophet Idris. Prophet Idris was born during the lifetime of Prophet Adam. He was amongst the followers of Seth and rules the children of Adam. Following the death of Seth, Idris was a truthful, patient, and extraordinary person. It is reported in the Hadith by Abu Zar that Idris was the first person to introduce the art of reading and writing to mankind. After the death of Seth, the peoples of Kabil Can lost guidance. This caused sin and corruption to rapidly spread. Idris was not able to bear watching his own people falling prey to tricks and influence of Shaitan. So Allah Almighty ensured Idris to call for a holy war against the corrupt followers of the Cain. As commanded by Allah Almighty, Idris gathered an army of men and battled in the name of Allah Almighty against the corruptors. His army emerged victorious. One day, Prophet Idris was told by Allah Almighty that he would receive the rewards of all the good deeds performed by man each day till his last breath. Idris was overjoyed by the news and thanked Allah Almighty for his blessing. Though Idris was quite old and he did want to depart earth as the enjoyed spreading good and wanted to get the good deeds of Allah Almighty. Idris is reported to have an angel friend. Nobody knows who this friend is specially. He asked this angel to allow to talk to the angel of death and plead him to delay his death. The angel and flew Idris to the fourth heaven to meet with the angel of death. The angel told the angel of death, Prophet Idris wants to know if you could prolong his life. The angel of death was stunned and asked, and where is Idris? The angels responded, he is upon my bed. The angel of death replied, how astonishing! I was sent and told to seize Idris' soul in the fourth heaven. I kept thinking how I could seize. It is the fourth heaven when he made it happen. As Allah Almighty has instructed the angel of death, the soul of Idris was taken in the fourth heaven. Following the death of the Prophet Idris, corruption began the spread rapidly again. There was a period where many generations passed without prophetic guidance the allowed for the emergence of the polytheism, shirk. So, friends, sisters, give me permission up to tomorrow. So tomorrow I will appear with next episode. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.